Hello, friends. Welcome back to Peak English. This is our special listening practice channel. I am very happy to see you today. Are you ready to learn English? Today, we have a very exciting story. We will talk about road trips. Do you like road trips? A road trip is a long journey in a car. When you drive for a long time, you get hungry. Where do you stop to buy food? You stop at a convenience store. A convenience store is a small shop. They are open all day and all night. They sell snacks, drinks, and fast food. In America, there are many famous convenience stores. Today, our friends Alex and Amelia are driving across America. They will visit the 3 best convenience stores. The stores are Wawa, Sheetz, and Buc-ee's. Fans of these stores always argue. They argue about which store is the absolute best. So, Alex and Amelia will test them all. By watching this video, you will learn a lot. You will learn basic words about travel. You will learn how to talk about food. You will also learn how to order food in a store. This is very helpful for your daily life. Do not worry, my friends. Our characters will speak very slowly. They will use simple English sentences. You will understand every word they say. Before we begin, I have a listening challenge for you. Please listen to the story very carefully. Here is your challenge question. What is the name of the sweet puffed corn snack at Buc-ee's? Listen for the name of this special snack. I will ask you this question again at the end of the video. Are you ready? Let's join Alex and Amelia in their car.
Oh man, I am so tired right now.
Me too, Alex. We are in this car for many hours.
My legs are very stiff.
My back also hurts.
My stomach is completely empty.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I really need a cold drink.
We still have a long way to drive.
We need to find food soon.
Maybe we need a restroom too.
Yes, that is a good idea.
Please look at the road ahead. Do you see any signs?
Let me look. No, I do not see anything.
Wait! Look over there!
Where?
On the right side.
Oh, I see it now.
What does the sign say?
It says Wawa.
Awesome! Wawa is a great store.
Is the food good there?
Yes, people love Wawa.
Okay, let's stop at Wawa.
I will park the car now.
Alex and Amelia walk into the Wawa store.
Wow, this store is very bright.
Yes, and it is very clean.
Wawa is famous in Pennsylvania, right?
Yes, it started there in 1964.
That is a long time ago.
It started as a dairy company.
What does dairy mean?
Dairy means products made from milk.
Oh, like cheese and ice cream.
Exactly.
Look at this big room.
That is the walk-in beer fridge.
It looks very cold in there.
Yes, I can see my breath.
But I want to buy food.
Wawa is famous for their hoagies.
What is a hoagie?
It is a long sandwich.
How do we buy a hoagie?
We use these touch screens.
Oh, I see. The screen has pictures.
Yes, you touch the screen to order.
This is very easy.
What do you want to eat?
I want a meatball sub.
Okay, select the meatball sub.
I did it.
Do you want cheese on it?
Yes, I want provolone cheese.
Do you want vegetables?
No, I do not want vegetables.
Do you want oregano?
No, just meat and cheese, please.
That is a very simple sandwich.
What are you ordering, Amelia?
I want a turkey hoagie.
Do you want vegetables?
Yes, I want lettuce and tomatoes.
Do you want a sauce?
I want oil and vinegar. And I want hot peppers too.
Hot peppers are very spicy.
I like spicy food.
We also need drinks.
Let's buy a vanilla milkshake.
They make them fresh here?
Yes, they do.
I will order 1 vanilla milkshake.
Look at the hot lamps over there.
What are those small boxes?
Those are called sizzlies.
What is inside a sizzly?
They are breakfast sandwiches.
Let's get 1 French toast sizzly.
Okay, our order is finished.
Let's go to the cashier.
Hello, welcome to Wawa.
Hello, here is our paper ticket.
Thank you very much. Your total is $20.
Here is a $20 bill.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Alex and Amelia go back to their car to eat.
I am so excited to eat.
Let's drink the vanilla milkshake first.
Look at it. It is very thick.
Yes, it looks like a glacier.
Let me take a sip. Oh, wow. This is amazing.
Is it good?
It is very rich and sweet.
Now let's open the sandwiches.
Here is my meatball sub. Oh no, the sauce is everywhere.
Your sandwich is very messy.
I need a napkin.
Here is a napkin. Be careful.
Thank you. Let me take a bite. This is wonderful.
Is the bread soft?
Yes, it is soft and warm.
My turkey hoagie is also great. The hot peppers are perfect.
Let's check the French toast sizzly.
It looks very tall.
Let's cut it in half.
The bread is very spongy.
It is not dry at all.
Wawa makes very good food.
I agree. But there is one problem.
What is the problem?
Wawa does not have wet wipes.
You are right. Their medicine section is small.
We need wet wipes for the car.
We will look for them at the next store.
They drive for a few more hours.
I feel sleepy.
Do you need a coffee?
Yes, I really need some caffeine.
Look ahead. There is another store.
It has a big red sign.
It is called Sheetz.
That is a funny name.
Sheetz is the biggest rival to Wawa.
Let's go in and get coffee.
They also love the letter Z.
What do you mean?
They put a Z on many words.
Alex and Amelia walk into Sheetz.
Wow, this store has a funky vibe.
Yes, it is very colorful.
Look at these snacks on the shelf.
They have giant gummy candies.
And they have big dog toys.
They also have Pokemon plushies.
Where is the food menu?
The touchscreens are over here.
Let's look at the menu. Oh my goodness!
What did you see?
The food here is very crazy.
Why is it crazy?
Look at this burger. It is called the Big M.
What is on the Big M burger?
It has 3 mozzarella sticks inside it.
That is very strange.
Let's order 1 Big M burger.
Okay, I will order a pepperoni pizza flat.
And let's order some mac and cheese bites.
What are those?
They are fried balls of macaroni and cheese.
That sounds delicious.
We need dipping sauces for them.
I will get buffalo garlic sauce.
I will get golden BBQ sauce.
Now, let's find the drinks.
The coffee station is here.
It says premium coffee.
The machine grinds the coffee beans fresh.
I will pour a hot cup of coffee.
Look at this automatic sugar machine.
That is very smart.
Wait, look in the corner.
What is it?
It is an instant milkshake machine.
Let's make an Oreo milkshake.
Okay, I will put the cup in the machine. I am pushing the button now. Ugh, it is so loud.
It sounds like a garbage disposal.
The machine is roaring.
Look at the milkshake. The color is gray.
It looks like cement.
Let's pay and go back to the car.
Hello, did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $15.
Here is my credit card.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
They are back in the car with Sheetz food.
The instant milkshake is melting quickly.
Let's taste it before it turns to water.
Let me drink some. It is very icy. It is not creamy.
But it has real chunks of Oreo cookies.
Yes, it is very sweet.
Now let's try the Big M burger.
It looks very heavy.
Let's take a bite together.
The mozzarella sticks do not melt.
They feel like solid cheese curds.
The burger is a little dry.
It needs hot marinara sauce.
Let's try the pepperoni pizza flat.
It looks like a giant Lunchable.
It tastes like bowling alley pizza.
Yes, it is very greasy and cheesy.
Now for the mac and cheese bites.
I will dip mine in the buffalo garlic sauce. Oh my!
What is wrong, Amelia?
This sauce is too strong.
Is it bad?
It is a tsunami of garlic and vinegar.
I will try my golden BBQ sauce. Wow, this is perfect.
The mac and cheese bites have a lot of noodles.
Yes, they are very good.
Let's drink the premium coffee now.
Is it good coffee?
Yes, it is very frothy and rich.
It tastes like fancy cafe coffee.
And look, I found wet wipes in the store.
Awesome! Sheetz is a very fun place.
Let's drive to our final stop.
They drive for many hours to the state of Tennessee.
I am getting hungry again.
Look at the horizon, Alex.
What do you see?
I see a giant sign.
It is a giant beaver face.
That is Buc-ee's.
I heard Buc-ee's is huge.
Yes, this is the second largest store in the world.
Let's drive into the parking lot.
Wow, look at all these gas pumps.
There must be 100 gas pumps.
Let's go inside.
Alex and Amelia walk into Buc-ee's.
Wow,
Oh my goodness.
this place is massive. It is 35,000 square feet.
It feels like a giant supermarket.
It smells so sweet in here.
Look at this merchandise section.
They have so many funny t-shirts.
This shirt says, "Wicked chickens lay deviled eggs."
That is very funny.
They have a home decor section.
And they have hunting gear and deep fryers.
Look at all the beaver toys.
I see a beaver onesie.
I will buy this Halloween shirt.
We need to find the food area.
I hear someone yelling over there.
It is the Texas Roundup Barbecue Station.
They are chopping fresh meat.
That meat is brisket.
Buc-ee's is famous for brisket sandwiches.
I will take one brisket sandwich.
Look at that long wall.
It is a wall of beef jerky.
The deli counter has 26 flavors of jerky.
Let's buy the Bohemian garlic flavor.
Okay, I will get a bag of it.
Now, follow the sweet smell.
It leads to the dessert station.
They make fresh fudge here.
And they have roasted candied pecans.
Let's buy a small bag of pecans.
We almost forgot the most famous item.
What is it?
Beaver nuggets.
What are beaver nuggets? Is it beaver meat?
No. They are sweet puffed corn snacks.
Oh, okay. Let's get a big bag.
Before we leave, I want to make a TikTok drink.
What kind of drink?
It is called a DIY dirty soda.
How do you make it?
You mix root beer with sweet coffee creamer.
That sounds a little gross.
Look, it looks like coffee now.
Let's pay the cashier.
Hello! Did you enjoy Buc-ee's?
Yes, it is like a theme park.
Your total is $30.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Have a safe drive.
Look, the CVS section has makeup wipes and diapers.
The bathrooms here are also amazing.
They walk back to the car with full hands.
I am so ready to eat this brisket sandwich.
Open the paper wrap.
Look at all this chopped meat.
Take a bite.
Oh, wow.
Is it good?
It is perfect. The meat is so tender.
I can see the barbecue sauce.
Yes, the sauce is sweet and smoky.
It looks very moist.
It is delicious, but it needs some crunchy coleslaw.
Now let's try the Bohemian garlic jerky.
The pieces are very thick.
Try to chew it.
Oh, it is very tough.
Is it hard to eat?
Yes, but the garlic flavor is amazing.
Let's drink your DIY dirty soda.
I will take a sip. It tastes exactly like a root beer float.
Do you like it?
It is sweet, but it leaves a weird feeling in my mouth.
Now for the roasted pecans.
They look like little rocks or tree bark.
Let's taste them.
Holy cow! These are incredible!
They are so sweet. I will call them sugar nuts.
Finally, it is time for the beaver nuggets.
Open the bag.
They look like golden balls.
I will eat one. Oh,
What do they taste like?
they taste like caramel and butterscotch.
Are they crunchy?
Yes, they are light and airy.
Let me try one. Wow, these are very addictive.
I cannot stop eating them.
We ate so much food today.
Yes, we visited 3 amazing stores.
Which store is your favorite, Amelia?
That is a very difficult question.
Let's think about it.
Wawa has great sandwiches for everyday lunch.
Wawa has touchscreens and many stores.
Sheetz is very quirky and fun.
Sheetz is perfect for late night cravings.
But Buc-ee's is a huge spectacle.
Buc-ee's is like a destination or a theme park.
I think a rotation of all 3 is the best.
Wawa for lunch, Sheetz for night, and Buc-ee's for trips.
I completely agree with you.
Let's start the car and drive home.
Okay, pass me the bag of beaver nuggets.
Here you go.
Welcome back, friends. Did you enjoy our long road trip today? Alex and Amelia ate so much delicious food. They visited Wawa, Sheetz, and Buc-ee's. They tasted milkshakes, hoagies, and crazy burgers. They also bought funny merchandise and snacks. I hope you learned many new English words. Words like dairy, brisket, and spectacle. Now, let's talk about our listening challenge. Do you remember the question from the beginning? The question was, what is the name of the sweet puffed corn snack at Buc-ee's? Did you hear the answer in the conversation? Let me give you a hint. It has the name of the giant animal mascot. Please write your answer in the comments below. You must write your answer in English. It can be a very simple sentence. Writing a simple sentence helps you practice. It makes your English writing skills better. Even if you make a mistake, it is okay. We are all learning together here. Tell me, which store do you want to visit the most? I really want to visit Buc-ee's to try the brisket. If you like this video, please click the like button. It really helps our Peak English channel grow. And do not forget to subscribe. We will make more fun learning videos for you. You can practice listening with us every week. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a wonderful day. Keep practicing your English every day. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.